Wow.
Hi Adya, how are you?
Hi Adya. Wow. This is table at the entrance. Under the table you have a refrigerator. All the drinks to chill out for the day. Hi Pranit.
Hi.
And left side and the entrance.
The bathroom.
Lavish washroom with mirror and all the soaps, detergents, tissue paper, magnifying glass,
You have earbuds and
everything, and tub bath
Robes.
as usual, and the shower room. This is going to be a shower room. Very good. Oh, this is something nice. This is my baby's favorite place, tub bath. So wherever we prefer tub must be there in the room. That is our condition. And on the table, water bottles and tea, coffee machine, followed by green tea, black tea, English breakfast, Nescafe, and lot more. This is complimentary. In case if you don't satisfied with this, you can place order to the reception so that they will serve hot tea, coffee to the room. And coming to the room tour, left hand side the big glass kept. This is a very big room. Then the regular room. My baby is sitting. She liked this bed very much. This is a chair before the bed, and this is the TV and sofa to relax, and small bed for the kids, and this is the bed. And the left hand side you have wardrobes. This, once you open this, you find the locker and a lot more things. I just close it. And one more wardrobe, my baby is open, and here to keep the luggage, and to iron the cloth, iron box kept, and extra mattress, pillows kept for the guest in case of additional comfort required. And this is the ironing bar. Coming to the, this is and yeah, I said this is a big room, so because of the big room we have one more working table provided, followed by two chairs. Generally one chair only will be available, since we requested for them to provide a big room and we took this room on a Monday, so generally crowd will be less on the Mondays since it is a weekday, so occupancy was not there, hence they've given without any hassle. And this is the balcony from our room. Morning and evening we can sit here and have tea, coffee. This is one advantage. Oh, you see from my balcony the entire Leela Palace, other side of the Leela Palace, and also the balcony you can walk on this. Very nice garden view I have taken to enjoy my kids. They can walk in, run, do a lot more things here. This is one side, and another side of the Leela Palace is this is. So now it is almost 6:30. By 7 they will switch on the lights. It looks like almost a palace. So I will show you one more pic during night time. And from this is a bottom balcony. I am entering into the room. The right side my boy Pranit is relaxing, and this is as usual my table to check my mails and office stuff, other things. And my wife is somewhere in washroom along with my kid. So they are getting ready for the dinner. That's it for the moment. This is Leela Palace. Have a pleasant stay yourself, and wishing all the guests also. Also, if you like our videos and
Please.
content, please like, share, subscribe,
tap
and
the
give your
bell
comments
icon.
in the comment section, so that we will able to view and reply to your comments. That will encourage us to promote more videos in our channel. Thank you so much.